Hello and welcome to your fourth day of e-learning. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. It's also known as National Tater Day. Today's assignments are broken into two parts. First, we're going to work on grammar, focusing on common nouns and proper nouns. Second, we're going to work on our paragraph of the day, answering the question, do you think kids should limit their screen time? By the end of our writing block today, you should have met two goals. For grammar, I can use proper nouns correctly. For writing, I can support a claim with reasons and evidence. At the end of your writing block today, when you're finished with this slideshow, please submit your work that you did on this slideshow by sharing this slideshow with me. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a grammar skill. So our grammar skill today is that writers use common nouns and proper nouns correctly. Let's review the skill first. So a common noun is a common name of a person, place, thing, or idea. A proper noun is a specific type of noun that has two main features. It will name a specific item, and it will always begin with a capital letter, no matter where it is in the sentence. So here's my example. I got a picture of Ariana Grande right here. And using the picture, I came up with a sentence that includes common nouns and proper nouns. So I wrote, my friend Emma and I went to an Ariana Grande concert in New York City. In blue, the common nouns are friend and concert. The proper nouns are Emma, Ariana Grande, and New York City. All right, so I have done the skill on the left side for you. It's something we've talked about before. I want you to try this skill on the right side. So you're going to take a look at this picture. Looks like it's some friends playing a board game. Using the picture, you're going to write a sentence that includes common nouns and proper nouns. So you'll type your sentence right here. Then you'll answer the question, what common nouns did you use in your sentence? And lastly, what proper nouns did you use in your sentence? Okay? After you've done that, the last grammar activity is to sort these nouns under the correct heading. Is it a common noun or is it a proper noun? So if I'm looking at the word memorial hospital, what would I drag that under? Would I drag it under proper noun or would I drag it under common noun? If you need a hint for what to do, this box up here gives you a hint again about what common nouns are and what proper nouns are. After you've sorted all of these words underneath the correct headings, then it's time for our paragraph of the day. So the focus of the paragraph of the day is screen time. So this is where you're going to plan. The prompt says many adults feel that kids have too much screen time. Screen time could be playing on a tablet, a phone, a computer, or even just watching television. Do you think kids spend too much time in front of a screen? Write a paragraph defending your opinion. Over here, this is important. Don't forget to include 5 to 8 sentences, a topic sentence to start your paragraph, supporting details, and finally a conclusion sentence at the end. This thought bubble right here is where you're going to brainstorm. I want you to type all of your ideas for this topic in this box. It could be a bullet point list, it could be sentences. If you want to do a little research on the internet, you can, but you need to type some thoughts about this topic here at random or organized, however you want to do it, to help you on the next slide when you write your draft. So you're going to start typing here using your ideas from when you brainstormed. This is when you need to include, I'm going to go back to the previous slide because it says, oh, I went too far. Because it says, don't forget to include 5 to 8 sentences, a topic sentence, supporting details, and a conclusion sentence. So when you're typing your draft, don't forget all of that. So you're going to start typing your draft right here, answering the question, do kids have too much screen time? Why or why not? And then when you're all done, you're going to move on to the next slide. This is the revising and editing slide. You're going to copy and paste your draft here. Well, what does that mean? That means you need to go back to the previous slide to your draft, highlight everything you typed, copy it, and then paste it on this slide. Then, using the revising and editing checklist right here, you're going to fix your draft. You're going to drag the check mark right here over each box as you check your draft to show that you've completed each step. So I would read my draft and see, is my opinion clearly stated? Yes, then I will click on this check mark and drag it down here. Did I include strong supporting details? No, I need to go back and fix that. I fix it, and then I can drag down the check mark and check it off. So by the time you're all done, you should have revised and edited your entire draft using this list, and there should be check marks going all the way down to show me that you did that. Lastly, share this slideshow with me so I can see your work that you did on this slideshow. That is all for today. If you need anything from me, please send me a message. I am here for anything you need.